How to change line spacing in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to adjust the line spacing. Now, select the text where you want to change the spacing. You can either highlight a specific portion or tap Select All if you want to change the spacing for the entire document. After selecting the text, tap on the format icon at the top. It looks like a A with horizontal lines. In the formatting menu, you will find the line spacing option. Here you will see plus and minus buttons next to the current spacing value, such as 1.15. Tap the plus button to increase the line spacing or the minus button to decrease it. Choose the spacing that best fits your needs. You will instantly see the changes applied to the selected text in your document. After making all your changes, just tap anywhere outside the menu and your formatting will be saved automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to change line spacing in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.